Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money easily from Binance to a bank account. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, you have to log in to your account. Once you're inside, open the withdrawals page by clicking the gray withdraw button in the middle of the page. You have to select a currency and withdrawal method. First, select your fiat currency from the currency drop-down menu at the top of the page. Then, select one of the available withdrawal methods located under Withdraw. Finally, click on the yellow Continue button at the bottom to proceed. Send a small amount of your fiat currency to a Binance-owned bank account. This is to verify your bank account. For example, EUR holders need to send at least €2 and pay a transaction fee of €1. If you're fine with that, click the yellow Verify Now button to proceed. If you select the bank card option, you'll be able to use your existing card or add a new one for withdrawals. This option is significantly more expensive compared to bank transfers. For example, EUR holders are charged 1.8% for every bank card withdrawal. Click the Continue button. If you're fine with that, enter the fiat amount and click the Continue button to proceed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.